How to convert raw photos to PNG on iPhone. Open the Photos app and find the raw photo you want to convert. You can confirm it's raw by swiping up on the photo details. It will show RAW next to the camera info. Tap the Share button in the bottom left. Scroll down and choose Save to Files. Pick a location, such as on my iPhone, and save it there. Now open the Files app. Navigate to the folder where you saved the image and open it. Tap the Share button again. If you scroll down, you'll see options like Save Image. Or you can tap and hold on the file. From the menu, choose Quick Actions, then tap Convert Image. Select PNG as the format, and keep the size set to original. The phone will create a new copy of the file in PNG format. To check, tap and hold the new file and choose Get Info. You'll see it listed as a PNG image. From here, you can share, email, upload, or print the PNG just like any other photo. And that's how you can easily convert a raw photo to PNG directly on your iPhone.